What's going on, guys? Sinclair Photos here, and today we're out at a different sort of meet. This is one hosted by IDS Supercars, their little supercar club. We've got some big boys out today, some very expensive cars, multiple Sennas. This is crazy. Let's just get right into it. Well, let's not keep you guys waiting any longer. This is the insanity we have in front of us today. We have a couple people leaving already, so we're gonna try to get through these cars as soon as possible so we can get some sense for you from these supercars. But we have the McLaren Speedtail, one of only a handful in the world. This one with the 1K carbon option, I believe. It's really hard to tell because its carbon is so small and the sun is out. But we got a 1 Senna, 2 Sennas, SF90. This is crazy. This man, the Rafa Collection on YouTube, go check out his channel. He's got some crazy stuff. He drives all his cars. Got this I'm sure. He's got this Ford GT down here, which this is my first time seeing it. My goodness, what a spec. Red, white, and blue, baby. The American way. And you know, I'm a sucker for baby blue. We got the baby blue 720 Spider and SVJ. This hood on the SVJ is like literally the best thing ever. If I ever get an Aventador or an SVJ, that hood will be probably one of the first things I buy other than an exhaust. But we got lots of stuff. Got a Huracan Evo 570 and then a crazy wrap. It's like the Godfather wrap on this thing. Interesting. We got a clean 600 LT on some wheels. Some BC Racing wheels. I love them. We actually saw this guy on the highway yesterday. So shout out to him for driving his car. Got loads of other stuff. 720S. There's a Demon down there, a Trackhawk. Crazy. And this dude's got the roof scoop. His windshield was looking like mine yesterday. I killed so many bugs coming home from College Station. My goodness. But we're all clean today. Let's take a look at this other side. We have a lot of Porsches and Lambos. We got Mr. Unspeakable in his 720S. I believe this is the full Vorsteiner kit. Super sick. He has a YouTube channel also for cars now, 0 to 60 Customs. So make sure to go follow him as well. Their quality is what I'm trying to be like. Then we got Mr. Lambo Will. I believe this is Blue Glocko Aventador S Roadster. Woo! And he can shoot some flames, so hopefully we'll get to see a demonstration of that on the way out.
Baby, how you gonna fake? This could really be the last time you could spit out all you said.
And much like the 1016 Industries hood for the Lambos, this is just the same thing for the McLarens. This is a baby P1 pretty much. Got the P1 hood, and looks like the Trackhawk's heading out. They'll probably do something crazy. I hope we don't miss it. Then we got the lineup of Porsches beginning. Got a GT3 RS, GT3, 718 Spider, and GT3s and GT3 RSs and GT2 RSs as far as the eye can see. We have, I believe this is lizard green. Yep, the Trackhawk sent it. We have a cool green. This is PTS for sure. And then we have like a mint green, also PTS, sandwiching the GT2 RS. Oh my God, we got the start up on the Aventador S. Holy moly. Oh, the valve's closed. That is insanity, man. All right, we'll get him sending it. Let's go get this. Hey, we got a Lotus pulling in. Very nice. Yeah, baby. God. I need me a 12. Ooh, the flames. You're the man, Lambo Will. Ultra. Later. Boo, truck. You guys, it is time to send it. It's the demon on guard. Oh my God, yes! That's probably the best sounding 488 I've ever heard in my life. If you guys haven't already smashed the like button, please do. This is the first hot car meet of the year, so your boy's gonna come back sunburnt and exhausted. So smash the like button for my well-being. And if you like that stuff. Oh yeah. Here comes the boy Frankie. And the Porsche. Classic. It's the pig from Angry Birds. Holy moly, boys, it is hot one outside today. It's only May. But we have these beautiful supercar booties to look at while we sit in the shade. I think only these guys are going to be left to leave because everyone else is pretty much gone. But we'll hang around for a little bit before we go get some lunch. So one interesting thing about this car, if you're not familiar with them already, is they don't have any mirrors. They have these little things in the door that pop out, and there's a screen on the inside that you can see as if you had these side view mirrors. But two Sennas. We saw two other Sennas at Cars and Coffee this morning. If you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and link it up in the top. But man, what a pleasure to be out today. Beautiful Saturday, checking out these super cool super and hypercars. All right, you guys, here we go. Let's get them sending it. Ooh, baby. That thing is so crazy on the road. That was worth it. All right, I hope you enjoyed. That was so fun. This video might be a little bit shorter than a normal one, but it was very much worth it. Now, it's hot. We're gonna go get some lunch. I'll probably sit in the pool the rest of the day. I hope you guys are keeping cool and staying awesome. If you liked the video, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel and wanna see more, and I'll see you in the next video.